I purchased this self-emptying vacuum a few months ago, and I am shocked by all its features. Its design is modern and sleek, and it is very powerful and lightweight. The suction adjusts to the type of flooring, and it cleans my carpet really well. It cleans very well in hardwood floors too, and fits under furniture. It is not too loud, and the battery lasts a long time. I've had other cordless vacuums before, and unlike those, this one can vacuum my whole 2,000 square feet main floor, plus my upstairs hall and bedrooms without running out of battery. I have pets, so it fills up faster, but emptying is a breeze. Just put it back in its self-charging base, which I keep in my closet, and done. The base bin lasts a long time, and when you have to empty it, it's super easy. Just pull it from the base, pushing the large white button, then push the trash button over a bin, and voila! I empty the base bin once every 2 weeks. It also comes with these attachments, which I like to use for small areas and corners. I love this beautiful cordless vacuum. I am very happy with my purchase. My name is Gabby. Thanks for watching my review.